All right, let's learn jokes. What is a joke? What makes a joke funny? Let's talk about it. So a joke needs two things to be a joke. I know Dora knows, but does anyone else might know what those two things are? Yeah, Mark.
I know one of them is a punchline.
That's right. One of them is a punchline. Do you know what a punchline is?
It's kind of like if you ask the question at the beginning of the joke, the punchline is the answer. That's the funny part.
Yeah, the punchline is like the funny part. It's the unexpected thing. It's what makes you laugh. It's the clever thing that we come up with. And then there's one more thing. Does anyone know what the other thing is? Yeah, Dora, what is it? The setup. That's right. And Dora, do you remember what a setup is?
It's basically like the set up.
Yeah, it's like what the joke is about. What are we talking about? A lot of the times the setup will introduce our who, our what, our where, kind of our main things, so the audience is able to follow along with our joke. So Julia actually brings up a really good thing. She's worried that maybe her joke already exists, but that's perfectly okay because, quite frankly, to be completely honest, every joke in the world at some point has already been said, and that's okay. But what makes it yours and true, unique to yours, is how you write it and how you put it into your work. Just out of curiosity, Juliet, what's the joke that you're thinking?
It was like, well, I think I rewrote it, but like, why do elephants and cars get along so well? Like, they both have trunks.
That's funny. I've never heard that before.
Oh, okay.
No, seriously, that's really good. Did everyone see
Okay.
me sit there? Sad, angry, scared, really scared, really happy, really sad, really angry. Really happy. Okay, guys. Great session. Hope you learned some comedy and you had some fun. And I hope to see you all guys again, all right?
Yeah.
Okay, bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you. That was really fun. Bye.